When it comes to enhancing the value of a home in Dallas, few upgrades deliver as much return on investment as installing high-quality windows. Whether you're preparing to sell your home or simply want to boost its aesthetic and functional appeal, high-quality windows are a game-changer. Here's a closer look at how upgrading your windows can impact home values in Dallas. Energy efficiency and utility saving. Dallas homeowners are no strangers to the intense summer heat and occasional chilly winters. Energy efficiency is a top concern for buyers in this climate, and high-quality windows with features like double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and insulated frames can significantly reduce energy bills. Modern windows keep cool air inside during summer and warm air inside during winter, reducing the need for constant heating or cooling. The U.S. Department of Energy reports that energy-efficient windows can reduce household energy bills by up to 25%, making this an attractive selling point for potential buyers. Improved curb appeal. First impressions matter in real estate, and windows are a prominent feature of any home's exterior. High-quality windows enhance curb appeal, giving the home a polished, modern, and well-maintained look. Popular styles like large picture windows, bay windows, or sleek casement windows can transform a home's appearance, making it more appealing to buyers. In a competitive market like Dallas, where home values continue to climb, curb appeal is a key factor in attracting attention and securing higher offers. A visually striking exterior signals to buyers that the home has been cared for, which often translates to increased perceived value. Noise reduction. Dallas is a bustling city with busy streets, growing suburbs, and lively neighborhoods. High-quality windows are designed with advanced soundproofing features, creating a quieter indoor environment. This is especially valuable for homes near highways, airports, or urban areas. The tranquility provided by noise-reducing windows adds a layer of luxury and comfort to a home, making it more appealing to buyers who prioritize peace and privacy. For many, this feature alone justifies a higher asking price. Enhanced security. Modern windows come with improved locking mechanisms and durable materials, making them more resistant to forced entry. Features like laminated glass and multi-point locks increase security, which is a top concern for homeowners. Buyers are often willing to pay more for a home that includes advanced security features. In Dallas, where community safety is an important consideration, high-quality windows contribute to peace of mind and add to a property's desirability. Increased natural light. High-quality windows maximize natural light without compromising energy efficiency. Features like larger panes, slim frames, and advanced glass technology let sunlight in while keeping heat and harmful UV rays out. Homes filled with natural light feel more inviting, spacious, and comfortable. This can create an emotional connection with buyers, making them more likely to see the property as a worthwhile investment. Bright, airy interiors are also more photogenic, which is an advantage when marketing the home online. Long-term durability. Unlike older windows, high-quality modern options are built to last. They are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, even under Dallas's intense sun and weather fluctuations. Buyers appreciate knowing they won't have to replace windows for decades, making this a cost-effective feature that adds value to the home. Positive ROI for sellers. According to the National Association of Realtors, replacing old windows with high-quality options can yield an impressive return on investment, often recouping 70–80% of the costs in added home value. For Dallas sellers, this can mean a higher selling price and faster sale in a market that values energy efficiency, aesthetics, and quality. Conclusion: investing in high-quality windows is one of the smartest decisions a Dallas homeowner can make. From improving energy efficiency and enhancing curb appeal to increasing security and natural light, the benefits are clear. High-quality windows not only elevate the living experience but also add tangible value to your property. If you're considering upgrades to boost your home's value, prioritize high-quality windows. Their impact on your comfort, utility bills, and overall home equity will make them a worthwhile investment in the vibrant Dallas housing market. Whether you're staying put or preparing to sell, quality windows are a clear win for homeowners.